Hi all. So in this video, I just wanted to talk through the admin and payment fees in a little more detail, give you some ideas on how you can use this in order to set up your membership so that selling memberships with Joinable doesn't cost you anything. It's important that these transaction fees, as a recommendation, are passed on in some way. And you can do that through a couple of different ways. So initially what you've got to consider is the membership price. So this is the price that you're setting the price at, that it's there for sale. Then you have the admin and payment fees. Now this is a calculation of Stripe and Joinable fees coming together as the total. Now what that'll do is then you need to decide if you're going to include those fees within the price above, or you're going to add them to the price above. And then you'll see the net revenue after fees. So in this instance where we have a price here of $80, the admin and payment fees of $635, they're included in that price, in which case they're deducted and the price comes down to $73.65. Now, as a suggestion, what you can do is you can click to instead add them to the membership price, and then you'll see that price change to $86.35. Now that's all good, except what you'll notice on the live profile, let's go and take a look at that at the moment. So you can see there are some different memberships listed here. Some have the membership price plus the admin and payment fee, so that's been triggered to pass it on. And others don't show a admin or payment fee of any type. So one looks a bit cleaner. Some people are triggered by a transaction fee if they see that added on to the bill. So what you can do is, what we suggest is increasing the price so that your price is the same or a little bit higher than the transaction fee. So if you usually charge $80, for instance, for this particular membership, the transaction fees are going to come out to about $635 at $80. Now, if we change that to say $88, you'll see that the admin and payment fees, they change to $659. Now, if you choose to include that in the membership price, you'll see here that the total membership price is $88. And your net revenue is $81.41. So the price that people are going to see is $88, and it will show as no transaction fee as part of that purchase. It's a cleaner way for people to see something. Now, if you do want to just keep it even for your accounts and you'd rather have even numbers, then of course just set your membership price to what you would like it to be. So maybe 80 in this example. The admin and payment fees here will recalculate, and all you need to do is click added to membership price, and you'll see that that changes there. So you'll see the total membership price is what they're going to see on the live site, and you'll see your clean revenue there that will come through the other side. So I'm hoping that helps to explain how you can craft these. Again, we suggest to put forward the admin and payment fee within the price, but increase your price to cover it. That's the cleanest way to look at it. But again, there's plenty of ways to skin a cat. So take a look. Hopefully that helped to give you a bit of an understanding of how the fees work and how you can set them up to appear differently and basically get the revenue that you need without going backwards. So as always, if you have any questions, let us know. We're always here, and we'll speak to you soon. Thank you.